पानी सिर्फ एक जर्रा नहीं, एक राज है जो दरिया से समुंदर तक अपनी रूह का सफर तय करता है। दिल कहता है असी भी पानी वर्गे बन जाइए, जो रुके ना, जो रास्ते दे पत्थर नू भी प्यार नाल छू के लंघ जावे। हर बूंद रब दी लिखी हुई एक आयत है, कभी अश्क बन के गिरे, कभी बारिश बन के महकाए, कभी समुंदर बन के सिर्फ गहरा हो जाए। जिंदगी भी एक दरिया है, हम सब इसमें तैर रहे हैं। कोई किनारे तलाश कर रहा है, कोई बीचधार में अपना वजूद खो चुका है। मेरी रूह एक समंदर दा साहिल लब रही है, जित्ते मोहब्बत दा पानी मेरा हर जख्म धोए और हर प्यास मिटा दे। Because love is like water, shapes you, it breaks you, and in the end, it becomes you. It is evening, the kind that wears a soft golden sky, and I sit in a boat lit by the warm breath of lanterns. The breeze moves gently, as if the night itself is running its finger through my hair, carrying with it the scent of a faraway shores. Around me the water hums in silver ripples. Each wave catches a piece of light and sending it to dance in the dark. This is not just peace. It is a love letter written by the wind, sealed by the stillness of the river, and signed by the glow of 100 flames. Here, every breath feels like a prayer, every heartbeat like a verse, and I am simply a soul drifting between the music of water and the poetry of the sky. Yes, this is pure love. Imagine drifting on a lantern-lit boat as the evening sky paints a masterpiece of colors around you. This is the kind of serene beauty that makes you believe in magic, that makes you realize life's most enchanting moments are real and waiting for you. Join me on this beautiful journey where every ripple in the water tells a story, and let's discover together how dreams can turn into reality. As I sit in this gently swaying boat surrounded by the soft glow of lanterns, I realize अगर इसे जिंदगी नहीं कहते तो फिर किसे कहते हैं? This moment, this peace, this beauty all around me, it feels like a dream come true. Let's drift together into this magical evening and discover the poetry of my life. Drift gently along the Thu Bon River or Hoi River in the ancient town of Hoi An, ideally around evening twilight 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. when lanterns glow and the air softens. You can simply walk to any of the riverside boat vendors by the lantern-lit bank. Many offer pickup without advance payment, or book online through platforms like Klook, or get your guide to reserve a spot in advance. I'll tell you about pricing of these boats. So 1 to 3 passengers is 150,000 BND per boat ride. 4 to 5 passengers, 200,000 BND per boat ride. Online booking options usually starts around $6 to $7 per person, often including a lantern release or herbal tea. So if you hire a whole boat, 1 to 3 people, it's about 150k VND, that means $6 to $7, or 200k VND for up to 5 souls. Shared, split the cost, or bask in the solitude. Why this ride feels like peace, philosophy, and spiritual beauty? Hoi An means peaceful meeting place. In Sino-Vietnamese, it names its prophecy, offering a space of calm and connection. As UNESCO-listed ancient town, its architecture reflects a centuries-old blend of Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese, and European influence. Each wooden shophouse, community hall, and bridge whispering stories of trade, travel, and cultural fusion. It's not just a ride, but a ritual of letting go. You release a lantern as a wish, and the river carries it away, symbol of hope, dreams, and connection. In local belief, this place is rich with guardian deities, temples, and ancestors' altars line. Every household venerates deities of the well, the kitchen, and the door. It's a living heritage of gratitude and spiritual intimacy with everyday's life.
feels like I'm inside a painting. Boats, rivers, and glowing lanterns. Boats, rivers, and glowing.
I lay back on the wooden heart of this boat. Above me, the evening sky is brushed in gold and rose. Beneath me, the river flows in a gentle rhythm. And somewhere in between, there's me, floating in a moment that feels like forever. It's as if I am not on the boat at all, but resting on the soft breath of the waves. Each ripple holding me, whispering, Devshi, you belong here. The water hums a calm only river knows. The lantern light dances in the breeze, and every glow seems to tell me, yes, yes, Devshi, you deserve this peace. I let go of the noise of the world. I let the river keep my worries, and all that remains is stillness, the kind of stillness that feels like home. My home in Vietnam. Yes, I'm local here now. And this is called a dream come true. हम सुकून की तलाश में अक्सर खुद को इतना मशरूफ कर लेते हैं कि शांति कहीं खो जाती है और हमें पता भी नहीं चलता। क्या ये शांति, ये गहरी मुलायम आत्मा को छूने वाली खामोशी हर किसी का हक नहीं है? क्या ये हमेशा के लिए मिल सकती है? शायद हाँ, पर इसके लिए हमें बाहर नहीं अपने अंदर की नदी में तैरना होगा। जैसे हम दुनिया के सुंदर कोनों की खोज करते हैं, वैसे ही हमें अपने भीतर का सफर करना होगा। मैंने सब कुछ छोड़ दिया सिर्फ ट्रैवलिंग करने के लिए, ताकि मैं अपने सपने जी सकूं, यात्रा कर सकूं, ट्रैवलिंग पे जा सकूं। Because for me this is detachment, this is true freedom. If these words touched you, come with me on this journey. Watch the other episodes of my Hoyan series and subscribe to my channel Devshi Khanduri Official. Because this is more than travel. This is the story of a soul.